Good morning, friends. Today in this video, we will learn how can we teach mathematics online using Wacom Pen tablet and an open source software, Journal++. As all of us know that since last 5 to 6 months, we are facing this pandemic, and the teaching sectors is affected very badly. We have to take classes online, but the mathematics teachers and all other teachers who have to use mathematical expressions in their teaching are facing much more difficulty than others, because uh, it is very difficult to write mathematical equations expressions while we are teaching online. uh, so let us learn how can we use this Wacom Pen tablet, and how can we download Journal++ freely. First of all, I will show you. I have bought this Wacom Pen tablet, Wacom by One, from Amazon. Through this, we can use and we can write all mathematical expressions, and we can teach very easily. I will open this quickly and we will see what we are getting. Then we will got this tablet. You can see it is red and black, and we will find this digital pen through which we can write. It is nothing but the advanced version of your mouse. These are left and right click here. We can use it as a mouse, but currently we just use it for writing. Next, we have one data cable. This part we have to attach to our laptop, and this to this uh, tablet. I am connecting this. We have to connect this like this. It is connected. Then a light will be shown here. It means it is connected. And we can use it by just writing on this. I will show you just. Now, through this pen tablet, how we can we write? We can write everywhere where we can write by using our mouse, such as Paint. I will show you Paint. I have to open Paint. As this is Paint, we can first I will write from mouse. I am writing from mouse. Now we will see our pen tablet is working here or not. We have to just attach it. It will be download all the drivers required for running it automatically. Now I am writing. You can see using this I can write everything such as y equals to x square plus z square d2y over dx square plus a square y equals to 0. So in this way we can use it very easily. Now I will tell you about Journal++. Journal++ is an open source software which are very useful for online teaching. I will show you. First, I will tell you from where we can download it. I will also share its download link in the description of this video. It will be downloaded from GIT Hub, github.com, Journal++ app, /Journal++ app, and then /releases. We have to just click enter. Now we can see there, we can download its latest versions from here. From here, journal app, Windows zip. It is just a 31 MB app and we can easily download it. After downloading it, we have to install it, and now I will show you how it works. I am opening, this is journal ++ symbol. I am opening it. This is the interface of journal ++ app. This is pen, we can write through it. This is eraser, this is for highlighter. We can use MatText here. We can it is also used for teaching LaTeX, and all these pens we can use by any we can use by any. We can choose the size of our writing letters as small, medium, or large, anything. When will you use it? You will learn automatically. Now, I will show you how can we write mathematical expressions. I'm using writing this. Suppose I want to solve the differential equation 1 plus x square dy equals to 1 plus y square dx. It will write same as you write, just writing on your copy or notebook, and the same writing will be appear here. If I want to change pen, then I can solve it, separating the variables. Separating the variables, we will get 1 plus y square one upon 1 plus y square dy equals to 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. On integrating, we will get tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus c. So in this way we can use, if we want to erase it, we can just erase by we can very easily erase it. We can also change the background. If we want to take plain background, we can easily take. We can write anything. Differential. We can record our videos very easily while teaching. Differential equations, modern algebra, whatever we can we want to write, we can use. We can change font from here. No, the most important thing is that if we have any PDF file and we want to explain it to our students, then we can annotate it by using journal ++ and this digital pen using Wacom pen tablet. I will show you. Suppose I want to annotate PDF. Annotate meaning suppose we want to explain something on PDF and we want to write it on it. Then we discard it. Suppose I am opening this PDF file. This is a simple assignment for differential equations. Now, if we want to explain this, we can just write here. We can write on any PDF file. We also we can remove it. If we want to highlight anything, we can use this highlighter. So everything we can do on this very easily. So for online teaching purposes, Wacom Pen tablet, I will suggest you. It is very simple. I am using it. I am making mathematics video using Wacom Pen tablet, and I am teaching to my students by using this. It is approximate 6,800 rupees, and you can buy it from Amazon. So I hope you will like the video. Thank you very much.